Hello, hello. Good evening, all of you. Am I audible? Yes, good evening, all of you. I hope I'm audible. Yes. Okay, fine. Good evening, everyone. So, today we are starting with calculus. Fine. So, all the best for your tomorrow's prelims. Best of luck. Okay. Okay, listen here. So, calculus will start. In our syllabus, calculus, what we are going to discuss, I'll tell you. There are two things we are going to discuss. One is differentiation. Other one is what? Integration. Okay. Differentiation and what? Integration. This is what comes under calculus. It's modern algebra. It's continuation of sets, relations and function. Differentiation and integration. Of course. Listen here. Let me give you some basic ideas about differentiation, like what and all to be at least you have to remember. Okay, to do some derivative problems or integration problems, some basic derivatives and all you have to learn. And my dear, those who are watching this lecture, for you, I'm going to tell you one thing. I'm going to give a lot of hacks, especially in this calculus part, and that too integration. Okay, and this integration, whatever hacks I'm going to give, it is highly useful for the students who are from not mathematics background. Students who are from mathematics background, I don't know whether you are going to enjoy it or not, because you know the regular method, but that method also we are going to break, my dear. Yeah, I think you got the test series report. Very good. Fine. Okay. Now listen here. First one is differentiation. In differentiation, we are going to find the derivatives of the functions. And in our syllabus, we are going to start about. Very good, Rahul. We are going to discuss about three types of functions. As far as our syllabus is concerned, how many types of functions, my dear? Three types. One is algebraic, and second one is logarithmic function and exponential. At least these three you need to remember. Now, yeah, fine. Algebraic, of course, the derivative of the basic derivatives I want you to remember, x power n is equal to nx power n minus 1. Derivative of log x is equal to what? 1 by x. Derivative of the exponential means a power x, which is a power x log a. So base we are not writing. If you are not writing base, the base is nothing but e. Okay. So what is derivative of e power x? E power x log e. Am I right, my dear? E power x log e. Log e to the base is 1 again. So it is e power x. So derivative of x power n is what? n x power n minus 1. Derivative of x power n is what? N x power n minus 1. And what and all to be remembered? For example, derivative of kx is equal to k. So derivative of 5x is 5, derivative of 6x is 6, and the derivative of 7x is 7. It goes on like that. Then derivative of any constant is nothing but 0. If you differentiate constant, you are going to get 0. Then derivative of root x. What is derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. Next, derivative of 1 by x. What is it, my dear? Minus 1 by x square. So derivative of 1 by x power n minus 1 by x power n plus 1. Okay. So what is, see, this is very important, my dear. Derivative of 1 by x is what? Minus 1 by x square. With this, I would like to give you one more formula. Please remember it as a formula. It will be highly useful to you. Derivative of x power x, which is x power x into 1 plus log x. Okay. Please remember all these things. Of course, rest everything you are aware. But this one, I want you to remember it as a formula only. So derivative of x power x is x power x into 1 plus log x. Janiel Jain is asking, sir, can I leave this chapter for foundation because I find this chapter very difficult? My dear, of course, for non-mathematics students, you may find it little difficulties, but at least you attend my session. As I told you, please wait for my session, and after that I'll do some problems. Then still, if you find it is very difficult, you leave. Otherwise, for example, especially integration, everyone can score good marks in integration. Okay, that you leave it to me, but for that you need to attend. Little patience is needed. Okay. Minus n by, sorry, minus n by x power n plus 1. आज़ाद सर, जो ये चैप्टर पहला नहीं देखा है, कैन दे वॉच? प्लीज माय डियर, प्लीज वॉच. Of course, derivatives is going to be challenging for you all. Differentiation is going to be challenging for you all. But if you can just handle the differentiation, what I'm going to teach now for at least 20-25 minutes, I'm going to discuss some new concepts. Once if you can handle it, integration you will enjoy like anything. Okay, this is my commitment to you people. So please, 20-25 minutes you need to bear with me. Once I start with integration, then you see how we can do the integration. Okay, the dimension of this topic is going to get changed. Okay, sir, ये chapter में first time कर रहे हैं. I am from the non maths background. ये chapter leave करें आप, ये lecture देख आएगा. My dear, you please, that's what I said na. Have some patience. Try to attend the session. Okay, my dear, there are some integration questions which are again and again they are asking in the examination, and those questions can be answered without writing anything, without remembering any formula, only pattern to be remembered. So that is what today I am going to teach. One of the finest tricks, hacks from integration you are going to learn today. For that, please wait. Derivatives, of course, is going to be a little bit challenging, but once that derivatives, the challenging part is over, na, integration onwards, where you will be able to understand. Okay, fine. Sir, can you brief timing and the details of tomorrow's session? Taking chapter wise lectures. Okay, tomorrow in the YouTube 7:30 only, same time only we are going to meet tomorrow also, but I'm going to explain how to approach this mathematics paper and how to score good marks in maths. That is what we are going to discuss. Okay, yes, now listen here. Then derivative of u into v. What is derivative of u into v? Keep u as it is, differentiate v, plus keep v as it is, u. For example, derivative of x square into log x. My dear, in calculus topic, that is in derivatives integration, they are always asking some simple questions, my dear. They are always asking some simple questions. Okay, maybe one question. Okay, out of the box, they can ask one difficult question, but otherwise they are going to ask you very, very simple questions. So please listen this. Derivative of x square into log x. This is my u, this is my v. Can you please give me the answer? Those who know how to solve it, can you give me the answer? Sir, keep u as it is. That is first part as it is. What is derivative of log x? 1 by x. Keep log x as it is. What is derivative of x square is? 2x. Cut. I can take x outside. 1 plus 2 log x. That's it. Correct? Yeah. Next. Same way, we'll have d by dx of u by v. What is u by v rule, my dear? Keep denominator as it is. Differentiate the numerator. Minus keep numerator as it is. Differentiate the denominator. Divided by v square. Denominator square. Now, for example, derivative of 3x plus 2 divided by 5x plus 3. This type of questions expected in the examination. Is it u by v rule, my dear? Is it u by v rule? Yes, please wait and watch. I'm going to give you one hack also after completing this. So please listen here. What is u by v rule? Sir, keep denominator as it is. Differentiate numerator. What is derivative of 3x plus 2 is? 3 only. Plus. Minus. Keep 3x plus 2 as it is. Derivative of denominator. What is it? 5. Divided by 5x plus 3 the whole square. Now 15x plus 9 minus 15x minus 10 divided by 5x plus 3 the whole square, which is minus 1 by 5x plus 3 the whole square. This is what kids do. This is the way kids follow. But we are legends. We legend doesn't follow this method. I will give you one fantastic method. It doesn't require any this u by v concept and all. If the similar type of question comes in the examination, thank me after completing the exam. For example, the same question, let me write. D by dx of 3x plus 2 divided by 5x plus 3. My dear, listen here. Just do what I am saying. Look at this. Direct answer I am going to write. Denominator whole square keep as it is. 5x plus 3 the whole square. Am I right, my dear? Denominator whole square you keep as it is. Next, cross multiplication. 3 3s are 9. Minus. Sign we need to use minus sign. Okay, what sign we have to use in between? Minus sign. Next, this multiplication. 5 2s are 10. What is 5 2s are? 10. So I think you got the answer, my dear. Enjoying? Is this right, my dear? You understood or not? Say yes or no. See, there is no need to apply u by v rule and all. Directly we can do it when it is linear. Okay, like look at the degree. Sir, both are same degree, sir. Then we can use it. Guys, you understood this? Is that clear? So can you give me the answer for this question? Yeah. Can you give me the answer for this? Yes, Ritika. Yeah. Fine. Can you give me the answer for this? Can you give me the answer for this? With say there is no derivatives rule and all. Directly you can do it. Okay. Very good. Question bank, you are right. Question bank, you are right. Yeah, give me the answer. Sir, is lecture study material cover ho jayega? I am going to cover all the problems. Har type ka problems I am going to cover. Yes, my dear. Pratish, check it once again. You're wrong. 43 by 5x plus 4 whole square. Wow, Muskan, very good. Excellent. Yes, Vikramja. Yes, Sakshi. Yeah, no, Sakshi, please check it once again. Vedant, very good. Vedant, the denominator wrong. Because wrong. Numerator is wrong. Ritika, numerator wrong. Look at this. What I said. See, cross multiplication. 4 7s are 28 minus 5 into minus 3. What is 5 into minus 3? Minus 15 divided by 5x plus 4 the whole square. Now you understood this? Guys, you understood? Say, you understand this logic? Is it nice or not? You tell me, my dear. Is this nice? Yes? Fine. Now, let me give you one more type of question also. Kalpana, 13 is wrong. Yes. Okay, now. Okay. Super, sir. Okay. I think many of you might have come across with these type of questions, right? Many of you come across with these type of questions. Okay. Even in this question also, we can apply this rule. Look at this. What we need to check, we need to check this. X, e power x. Same terms should be there. What should be there? Same terms should be there. Just use the logic, whatever we said. What will come, my dear? 3 e power x plus 1 the whole square. Now cross multiplication, what is it? 1 2s are 2. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. So 2 minus of minus 3. What is it? 5. Okay. But one thing is extra, my dear. Since there is other than x, e power x is there, na? That other than x also to be differentiated. Now what is derivative of e power x? So our answer is this. That's it. Okay. I will give you one question from textbook. D by dx of e power x plus 1 divided by e power x minus 1. Can you give me the answer? I think now everyone can give the answer. Everyone can give the answer. Give me, my dear, what is the answer? This is our institute material question. Exam, once or twice it came in the exam also. Can you give me the answer, my dear? Fast. Yes. My dear, if your friends are there, just inform them, ask them to come and attend this session, because it is you are going to enjoy, my dear. Most of the students, first time you are going to learn so many hacks in integration, and just like that you people are going to solve. Mohan Raj wrong, Rahul Raj wrong, Harish wrong. My dear, please inform your friends and ask them to attend this session. Yes, Thunder Place, question bank, yes, Rahul Raj wrong, Anisha wrong. Fine, I'll tell you. See, here coefficients is 1, 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 1 into 1 is 1. In between minus sign should come. Divided by e power x minus 1 the whole square. As I told you, derivative of e power x is what? E power x. So what is your answer? Minus 2 e power x divided by e power x minus 1 the whole square. Is that clear, all of you? Correct. For example, d by dx of x square plus 5 divided by x square minus 1. Sir, can we apply the same rule? Of course you can apply the same rule, but instead of x we have got x square, only that part to be taken care. Give me the answer. Yes, Muskan, now you are right. Very good. Now can you give me the answer? Guys, please inform your friends, those who are not ready to attend calculus, especially non-mathematics students, please message them, ask them to come and attend the session. Because you are going to, at least I am going to give you the assurance, at least 2 marks with the help of this lecture you are going to get. Okay. Fine. Let me check. Cross multiplication again. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 1 into plus 5, but in between minus should come, minus 5 divided by x square minus 1 the whole square. As I told you to differentiate this. So this also to be differentiated. Derivative of x square is 2x. I think you got the answer. Minus 12x. Is that clear, my dear? See. Now very difficult to question what you think. That question I am going to tell you. 5 log x minus 1. 7 log x minus 5. Give me the answer. Give me the answer. This is what very difficult question. When log comes, we always leave it. That u by v rule and all, we are not bothered only. Please, now you do it. U by v. Sir, let this type of question come in the examination, sir. Guys, are you all enjoying? Say yes or no. Are you all enjoying? Are you learning some new concepts? Yes, do it. Are you learning something new, my dear? That is what I want you to tell me, my dear. Yes, what is the answer? I think none of them are giving me the answer. Wow, Harish given. Okay. Yes, Mubashira. You are on this channel today? Okay. Now listen here. Cross multiplication. As usual only. Minus 5 into plus 5. Minus 25 plus 7 divided by 7 log x minus 5 the whole square. I told you to differentiate log x, which is 1 by x. I think answer is over. What is minus 25 plus 7 is? Minus 18 divided by x into 7 log x minus 5 the whole square. Those who got the right answer, please show me some thumbs up or like this video, my dear. 181 and all, how did you get? Acha, 181 minus 18 by x. Why 181? Everyone is giving me 181. Acha, 1 by x. Okay, okay. Minus 18 you are missing, Ritika, everyone. Yes, very good. Fine. How many of you are learning this type of approach for the first time? How many of you are learning this type of approach for the first time, my dear? Yes. Okay. Me. Yes. Okay. Very good. So, Kasturia is in this channel now today. Okay. Yes, my dear. Very good. Now listen here. Now I am going to talk about implicit function. First time, but this will help a lot. Yes, my dear. Implicit function. Okay, question bank. Got it. Very good. Fine. Now implicit function. Mubashira. Okay. But actually that channel is very fast. Now, implicit function. Okay, implicit function. Listen here. Are you all ready? Even non-math students, I want you to learn only the basic things. I think everyone can answer. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. This you know. Everyone knows derivative of x square is 2x. What is derivative of x is? 1. Sorry. I think this and all you know, right? Only this much is more than enough, my dear. Please listen here. For example, x cube plus y cube plus x square y plus xy square equal to 0. Find dy by dx. Now listen here. Mostly what you do, sir, we don't apply, sir. This is not our business, sir. Okay. But what if I say in one line you can write the answer? My dear, if you understood this, okay, I want some reply from you all. Please listen here, my dear. Guys, there is lot of effort we have made to bring this type of lectures to you all. Especially, I am very happy to share this to CA students, because with CA students, these type of hacks and tricks never shared. Only the regular method people follow. Okay, even you also can handle these kind of hacks, my dear. Now look at this. Just do what I am saying. This is what implicit function. What is my implicit function? You know, there will be an equation in terms of x and y together. Okay, in terms of x and y together. And by using this method, the students who are from mathematics background, if you are learning for the first time, definitely you will get shocked. Okay, definitely you will get shocked. Look at this, my dear. Step number 1, implicit function. Every x and y should be on the left hand side. Right hand side you should have 0. Yes, sir. First condition satisfied, sir. First condition satisfied. Second condition, second step, what we need to do, I'll tell you. Write the answer. Dy by dx is equal to minus. This is mandatory. By default will come. Open the brackets. Something upon something. Okay. This is what we need to put. Now I need to something on the numerator. I need to fill something on the denominator. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Now, in the numerator, you take this left hand side, differentiate the left hand side. Nemil, you are wrong then. You apply formula or anything, that answer is going to be same only. Now look at this. Taking left hand side. Okay, take left hand side. Now, numerator, differentiate x. with respect to x only, keeping y constant. Please remember this. Numerator, differentiate all x with respect to x, keeping y constant. What is mean by that, sir? Derivative of y. Whenever y comes alone, 0. Same rule you are going to apply for the denominator. Please listen this, my dear. Now numerator. First term. Do we have x in the first term? Do we have x in the first term? Yes, sir. X is the first term, sir. Of course. Differentiate that x. What is derivative of x cube? What is derivative of x cube? 3x square. I think anyone can do this. Am I right, my dear? 3x square. Is that clear, all of you? 3x square. Next. Do we have x in the second term? Do we have x in the second term? No, sir. There is no x in the second term. There is no x in the second term. So therefore, leave it or put it as 0. Leave that. X is not there. Forget about it. Do we have x in the third term? Yes, sir. We have x in the third term. What do we have? X square. So what is derivative of x square? 2x. This y you keep as it is. You don't worry about y. You don't worry about y. Then last term. Do we have x in the last term? Yes, sir. Only x is there in the last term. What is derivative of x is? 1. So 1 into y square. Is that clear, all of you? Y square is constant. Keep as it is. So numerator part is over. Now come to denominator part. Come to denominator part. Now, what is denominator part? What is there in the denominator part? 4. Okay. Denominator part, what we need to do? No, you need to differentiate. Okay, Subia, let me check it. Okay, I don't think. Let me check it. In denominator part, we need to differentiate with respect to y, keeping x constant. That means wherever x comes, leave it. The first term. Do we have y in the first term? No, sir, there is no y in the first term. Ignore. Do we have y in the second term? Yes. What is derivative of y cube? 3y square as it is. Plus. Do we have y in the third term? Yes, sir. Only y is there. Derivative of y is 1. Only y means y. Y derivative is 1. Math students will say, sir, dy by dx. Ignore. Derivative of y is 1. Only x square, it's constant. Keep as it is. Finally, do we have y in the third term? Yes, sir. So what is it? Y square, sir. What is derivative of y square is? 2y. Answer over. 2y x. Answer is over, my dear. That's it. I will do one more sum also. Yes. Please listen this. Students who are from maths background may understand this in the first level itself. But students who are from non-mathematics background, little time it will take. That's it. Now, it's an implicit function x and y is together. What is dy by dx, my dear? Minus, open the bracket, denominator. Numerator and denominator. Is that right, my dear? Because first condition is satisfied. So right hand side is 0, sir. Now listen here. Numerator. What is it? We have to differentiate only x. Do we have x in the first term? Yes, sir. So what is derivative of ax square? 2ax plus. Do we have x in the second term? Yes, sir. Only x is there. What is derivative of x? 1. So rest of the term you write it. Rest you write it. 2hy. Do we have x in the third term? Drishti, don't leave. Please wait. Do we have x in the third term? No, sir. 0. Am I right? So, remove. Next, same logic you are going to apply it for what? Denominator. But you are going to take y. Do we have y in the first term? No, sir. So, this is 0. Do we have y in the second term? Yes, sir. So, we will take only y. So, it is y derivative is 1. What is remaining? Plus. Do we have y in the third term? Yes, sir. By square, sir. So, therefore, what is it? 2by. Guys, you got the answer. Everywhere 2 is constant, common, take it outside and cancel it. Answer is over. You all understand, right, my dear? Yes, question bank, you're right, cancel. Yes, question bank, it's correct. 2 is cancelled. You all understood this? Is it nice? Yes, infinite law. So our answer is minus of ax plus hy plus hx plus by. Okay. So this is what implicit function. Okay, this is what implicit function. Fine. Yes. No, I don't get your point. Anything Vedant, anything this way we can do it. But it depends on the options also. Okay. Now listen here. Next one. What is the next part is? Okay. Okay, Rahul Raj. Now listen here. Are you all ready, my dear? Yes? Fine. So this is first part. This is over. Okay, this is over. Non-mathematics student, please have some patience. Non-mathematics students, have some patience. You will enjoy integration. Derivatives, as I told you, little complications you are going to face, but the integration you are going to enjoy. I'm saying ulta actually. People will be shocked. Sir, integration only very difficult than derivatives. No, integration specially designed for non-mathematics students. Now look at this. Okay. I want you to remember this. X power 5, y power 4 is equal to x plus y whole power 9. X power m, y power n is equal to x plus y whole power m plus n. X power 5, y power k, x plus y whole power 5 plus k. This is question. And in all the question they are going to ask you to find out dy by dx. I hope you understand the pattern. I hope you understand the pattern. Look at this, sir. 5, 4, 5 plus 4, 9. M, n, m plus n. This xy becomes x plus y. X power 5, y power k. X plus y whole power 5 plus k. If you ask any mathematics student, what they will say, you know, sir, we will apply log on both sides. So log of x power 5 into y power 4 equal to x plus y whole power, log of x plus y whole power 9. 5 log x plus 4 log y is equal to 9 log of x plus y. So 5 by x plus y by 5 by x plus 4 by y dy by dx is equal to 9 by x plus y into 1 plus dy by dx, or simplify, we'll get a dy by dx. Or wow, this is what math student will do. How non-mathematics students are going to do. Now listen here. Yes, Ritika. Now once you understood the pattern, the answer is fixed. Once you understood the pattern, the answer is fixed. Did you all understand the pattern, my dear? Have you all understood the pattern? Yes. So dy by dx, directly the answer you can write it as y by x. Directly you can write it as what? Y by x. See, don't waste your time, because these are standard problems, my dear. These are standard problems. Don't waste your time by applying log and all. If you want to satisfy your ego, you please, after completing, if the same problem comes and you want to satisfy your ego, after exam gets over, you come out and take the page and fatafat you solve it. Okay, then you can satisfy your ego, my dear. But remember, in the examination, directly you mark it. Okay. Yes. Is it clear, all of you? So stay away from the ego and all. Stay away from the ego and all. Just do it. These are the basic things you have to remember in derivatives. Now the time for integration. Are you all ready, my dear? Integration? Yes. Are you all ready for integration? See, after every trick, you are going to say me, wow. Integration. But before learning integration, some basic rules as usual we need to remember. First, what are the three functions I said? What are the three functions, my dear? Algebraic, logarithmic, exponential. In algebraic, what formula you need to remember, you know? Yes. Integral of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Am I right, my dear? Integral of x power n dx is equal to what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Is that correct? Yes. Okay, Thunder, please. Now, I want you to remember integral of log x also. Generally, they don't give it as a formula, but I want you to remember. CA students, I want you to remember. Only, see, this is not only IIT students can do. Even CA students also can do. You are giving the most toughest exam in the country. Even IIT also difficult. But what is the difference between IIT and CA? No, IIT and CA, both the exams, entry is difficult. But what is CA, even in CA, exit is also difficult. Whereas in IIT, JEE exam, only entry is difficult. You all understand, my dear? So, please, you also can learn. If any IIT JEE student can do it, you also can do it, my dear. So, integral of log x is equal to x into log x minus 1 plus c. Integral log x dx is equal to what? Log x into log x minus 1 plus c. Now, sir, how can I remember, sir? Don't worry. I will give you one pattern to remember when I do these type of questions. Please wait. Now, integral of exponential. Derivative of a power x is what? A power x into log a. Integral of a power x is what? A power x by log a plus c. Next. So, integral of e power x is what? E power x plus c. Is it clear, all of you? Say yes or no? Okay. Now, I want you to remember one more part. Integral of ax plus b whole power n dx is equal to ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. What is coefficient of x is a. For example, what is 3x plus 2 whole power 7, my dear? What is 3x plus 2 whole power 7? 3x plus 2 whole power 8 by, listen here, my dear, n plus 1 into a. That is these two to be multiplied. 8 3s are what? Plus c. Is that clear? Now, what is integral of 5x minus 3 whole power 8 dx? Give me the answer. Integral of 5x minus 3 whole power 8 dx. Sir, 5x minus 3 whole power 9 divided by 9 5s are 45 plus c. It's a linear function. When it comes to linear function, this is the way we need to do. Guys, you all understand this? Sir, there is no hack I'm finding, sir. I have not yet started with the hack. These are the rules. Before I start with the hacks, you need to remember. Okay. And these type of questions generally comes in the exams. So don't ignore this. Okay, don't ignore this. There is one more type of question also expected in the examination. Integral of f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log f of x plus c. What is mean by this, When there is u by v form, when derivative of denominator is there in the numerator, we can write it as log of denominator. For example, 2x plus 3, 2 by 2x plus 3 dx. Now, generally in derivatives, what we do, my dear, we used to apply u by v rule. But look at this. What is derivative of denominator? Derivative of 2x is 2. Derivative of 3 is constant 0. Sir, derivative of denominator is there in the numerator, sir. Directly what you can do? Log of denominator. For example, integral of 2x plus 3 divided by x square plus 3x plus 5 dx. What is derivative of x square? Derivative of 3x? Derivative of 5? 0. Sir, derivative of denominator is there in the numerator. What is it? Log of plus c. My dear, again I am telling you, have some patience and listen here. Now, these are the basic rules we need to remember before we proceed with our hacks. Now, hereafter, whatever I am going to teach, which is highly expected in the examination, and those hacks, without applying any integration rule, we are going to solve. Especially mathematics students, you will show your, sir, what I did in my school level, sir. That's what you are going to ask me. Look at this. First, the great substitution method. Non-math student, don't worry. You are not going to use any substitution method. Let mathematics student use substitution method. Okay, not us. Okay. For example, integral of x cube plus 3 whole power 7 into x square dx. Fine. Now, question bank, you can watch it once again, my dear. X cube plus 3 whole power 7 into x square dx. What non-mathematics or what mathematics students are doing? Put x cube plus 3 is equal to t, 3x square dx is equal to dt. So x square dx is equal to dt by 3. Then we'll substitute, we'll simplify and we'll get the answer. Wow, fantastic. Very good, my dear. Now, what we are going to do, I'll tell you. Just understand the pattern. Are you all ready to understand the pattern, my dear? Now, what is here? See, first within the bracket we have got only two terms. Point number 1. Here I have x cube. When within the bracket if I have x cube, outside the bracket you will have definitely x square. Definitely x square. Don't worry. Sir, what if other things are coming? It is none of our business. That is not in our syllabus. Let me talk only within our syllabus. Okay. X cube. Outside the bracket it is what? X square. Yes. Now listen here. That is step number 1. First you identified the type. So for example, within the bracket, if you have x power 4, outside the bracket what you will have? X cube you will have. Within the bracket if you have x power 3, outside the bracket x square. X square is in the bracket, outside x will be there. That is point number 1. Next, once you identified, now you are going to write the answer. Are you all ready to write the answer? Yes. What is it? I'll tell you. What is the degree, my dear? 7. Yes. X cube plus 3 whole power 7 is there, right? 7 is there, right? 7 is there. 7 plus 1, 8. Divided by, multiply these two, 8 threes are? Answer over, my dear. You all understand this? Math student, please use substitution method. If you don't get the same answer, let's see, my dear. Okay. For example, one more sum I will do, and you do one sum. Okay. For example, sir, this is not in that method, sir. No, this is also of the same format only. Look at this. Can we write it as integral of x square plus 5 whole power minus 7 into x dx? Say yes or no. Is that right? Can we write like this? Now is it on our format? Hey, my dear Ednovate channel, no response, my dear. Are you really following? Yes. Are you really following, my dear Ednovate students? Here in this channel, I'm getting a lot of comments, but this side, everyone is keeping yourself quiet, my dear. I'm really worried. I don't know, it is because of shock or because you don't understand. Yes, listen here. Can we give the answer? Sir, same pattern. X square plus 5 whole power, what is it? Minus 7 plus 1. What is minus 7 plus 1? Minus 6. Divided by what will come? Sir, let us multiply these two. See, answer is over, my dear. Answer is over. You all understand this? Okay. Now, can you do one problem? Yes. Write the answer for this. Write the answer for this, my dear. Give me the answer, give me the answer, give me the answer. Sir, minus 14 aega. Array, do what I am saying, my dear. Whatever this index, na, this should be multiplied, not this one, Ritika. Okay. Give me the answer. My dear, I want the answer. Yes, question bank. Very good. But why did you get x square plus 4? It is there x square plus 3 only. X square plus 3 whole power 5 by 10. Fantastic. Pratham, right? Yes, everyone is right. I think now you got to know how to use this hack. Very good. That's it. Everyone got the same answer? If you got the same answer, just show me thumbs up, my dear. That's it. You understood this? Can you believe substitution is fully over? More than enough. Fine. Yeah. Very good. Next one. Are you all enjoying this, my dear? Okay. Yes. Next step. Integral by parts. Now, yes, question mark. Integral by parts. Look at this. Integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. To all math students, yes, Vedant. For all math students and non-mathematics students, I want you to mug up this integral by parts, because I'm expecting they may ask you to directly the formula. Okay, integral of u dv equal to uv minus integral of v du. Now I'm going to solve integral by parts problem without applying integral by parts. Okay, without using this formula, we are going to solve integral by parts question. Are you all ready, my dear? Yes, Rupesh. Now look at this. Integral by parts, how to identify, I'll tell you. It will be combination of two functions. In our syllabus, what are the three functions we have, my dear? A, L, E. Algebraic, logarithmic and exponential. Integral by parts means the question will be what? In terms of algebraic and logarithmic, or let me write like this. L, A, E. Our combination is going to be what? L, A, E. This is what our combination. I hope math students you remember isolate or liate. This is the rule you followed. Am I right? This is the rule you followed. Isolate or liate. This is the rule you this is the rule you used. But that is what I took only LAE or A. That is either log or algebraic, or otherwise what? Algebraic and exponential. Okay, fine. Listen here. First step. Algebraic and exponential. First type. I think this trick many of you know, but still. This particular question asked 3 times in the examination. Integral of x square e power x. If you ask my students, they will say orally this answer. And after this lecture, you are also going to give me the answer orally. It's a challenge from my side. Integral of x square into e power x dx. If you give this question to any mathematics student, what they do, you know, u dv rule you will apply. Then you will apply what, 2 times I have to apply uv rule. And it's like, 10 steps problem. But what if I say you can write the answer directly? Ready, my dear? Fine. This is x square is algebraic, e power x is exponential. Please write e power x as it is first. As it is. E power x. Open the brackets. Now, what is algebraic function here? What is algebraic function here? X square. Write x square as it is. Okay. I think I told you in the beginning, you should know the basic derivatives. What is derivative of x square, my dear? 2x. You write 2x. What is derivative of 2x, my dear? Only 2. Then alternate signs. First one is plus, then alternate sign. Plus, minus, plus. Answer over, my dear. Is it clear? Answer is over. Is it clear, all of you? E power x into x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. You all understand this? Yes. Guys, are you enjoying this? For example, x cube into e power x dx. Yes, question mark. X cube into e power x. Now tell me what you will do. E power x keep as it is outside. Open the brackets. What is here? X cube. Derivative of x cube is what? 3x square. Derivative of 3x square is what? 3 to the 6x. Derivative of 6x is what? 6. Plus c. Plus, minus, plus, minus. My dear, do you need to be a math student to go get this answer? You tell me, my dear, is it necessary you have to learn entire integration formulas? Just like that we can do it. You all agree, my dear? Yes? Okay. Fine. Are you ready to do one sum on your own? X into e power dx. Give me the answer. Fast, 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 fast. X into e power x dx. X into e power x dx. My dear, some reaction. Yes. Good. Very good. Question bank got the answer. Rahul Raj got the answer. No, wrong answer. Rahul Raj, wrong, no, wrong Rahul Raj. Sir, why 6x, why 6? A Kalpana. Derivative of 3x square is what? 3 2s are 6 is 6x. Derivative of 6x is what? 6. Now CA Sheikh, you are right. Arvind right. Rohini right. Wow. Aditya, can you check your answer once again? Vikram right. Mubashira right. Vikas right. Snehal right. Good. I think now you started getting the answer. Very good. This is the answer. Am I right, my dear? Yes. Next. Sir, what if x square into, now you are gone, sir. Now what you will do, sir? X square into e power 3x. Now what you will do, sir? Okay. Hi Harshal, yes, I remember you. Thank you. All the best, my dear. All the best. Best of luck, Harshal. Best of luck. Good. I remember Harshal Mehta. I have your number also, man. Yes. Integral of x square into e power 3x dx. Now listen here. Sir, should I change the rule? No need to change any rule. Rule is remain same. What is here? E power 3x. E power 3x as it is. Open the bracket. X square. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. Derivative of 2x is what? 2. Plus c. Sir, his answer is over? No. We need to do this coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x is? 3. Just do what I am saying. Just do what I am saying. By 3 square by 3 cube. That's it. Answer over. My dear, you enjoying this? You understand? Whatever that coefficient, na, that all the 3 terms means what? 3 square, 3 cube. Guys, you understand this? Say yes or no? Wow, so nice of you, Harshal. Guys, all here, please follow him. Whatever he says, due to his guidance and method only, I have cleared foundation. Please, thank you, sir. Thank you. Alright, guidance. Harshal, thank you so much, man. So nice of you. Please rock, my dear, tomorrow. Law exam. Yes. Now, next one, listen here, my dear. Sir, now you cannot escape, sir. You are gone, sir. Integral of x square into 2 power x. E power x is fine. Now what you will do with the 2 power x? I don't want to change any rule. I don't want to change any rule. Rule remains same. Keep 2 power x as it is. Open the brackets. What is here first term, my dear? X square. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of 2x is 2 plus c. My dear, everyone knows integral of a power x dx is what? A power x by log a plus c. If it is 2 power x, 2 power x by log 2. 3 power x, 3 power x by log 3. So log 2 should come in the denominator. So what I am doing is log 2 by log 2 the whole square by log 2 the whole cube. Wow, fantastic. Is that right, my dear? You understood? Say yes or no. Guys, say something, my dear. Is that clear? Yes, Aditya. Very good. Fine. Very good. You are understanding, my dear? Yes? Fine. Okay. Next, my dear. Next one is algebraic and log format. Algebraic and log format. Log x the whole square dx. Log x the whole cube dx. For example, if they ask you to find out. Yes, question bank. Now listen here. Generally, math students, how they follow, you know. Math students, how they follow, sir. Log x the whole square into 1 dx, sir. Okay, u is equal to log x, something like that you will take, right? It's again lengthy method. I'm going to tell you, directly you can write the answer. Yes, look at this. Integral of log x the whole square dx. Just do what I'm saying. There it was e power x outside. Now here when log x comes, you keep x outside. What do we need to keep, my dear? X outside. Open the brackets. Log x the whole square. Write as it is. Fine. For example, x square means what we used to write? 2x. Here log x, you take it as x only. So it is as good as x square only. So 2x. But instead of x, what we have? Log x. 2 log x. See, if you would have written as x square means you would have written it as 2x. But here log x the whole square, you write it as 2 log x. So 2 log x derivative is 2 plus c plus minus plus. Answer over. Is that clear, my dear? Say yes or no. See how simple. Are we saving some time? Now you are praying God, na? Sir, let these type of question comes in the examination. And of course, these are the questions are coming in the examination. Next, log x the whole cube. Tell me what will come. Sir, will take x outside, sir. Log x the whole cube. What will come? Minus 3 log x the whole square plus 6 log x minus 6. Guys, you understand this? You understand? Sir, now you give me, sir, log x any power, I can give the answer. Is that right, my dear? I think you can orally give me the answer. For example, those who are watching videos, you can answer with me orally. Okay, you can answer with me orally. Log x the whole power 4 dx. Tell me what is it? X outside. Open the bracket. Log x the whole power 4 minus 4 log x whole cube plus 12 log x the whole square minus 24 log x plus 24 plus c. Wow, fantastic. Is that clear, all of you? See, you are also orally, you can give me the answer. How many of you said orally? Yes. Guys, if you are liking it, if you are understanding this logic, please press the like button. Innovate, please. Thankyou, please. Fine. Yes, my dear. Very good. Orally, right? Very good. Fine. Perfect. Now give me integral log x. Integral log x. Mubashir on fire. Okay. Thank you. Rolex. Or per shake, sir. Okay. Now integral of log x. Give me the answer for integral of log x. Same rule you apply. Let's see how many of you are able to give me the answer integral of log x. You made little mistake. It's okay. First time when you do. Wow, saved Bethel Nagar. Good. You got the right answer. So, x outside. Wow, Aditya, right. Vikramja, right. I think, array, fantastic. Array, Rupesh, you did one mistake. That's it. Now, check the formula page. Did I give this as a formula? Integral of log x. I think now you no need to remember it as a formula. See, integral of log x I gave. Correct, na? See, now you can do this just like that, my dear. Okay. Now in algebraic and logarithmic function together comes means there is one more rule you have to remember. To remember. Integral of x power n into log x dx. Integral of x power n into log x dx. Please mug up this. X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 the whole square into n plus 1 log x minus 1 plus c. Please mug up this. What is the advantage of remembering this? For example, the question asked x cube into log x dx. What is it? X power 4 by 4 square 16. 4 log x. This question was asked in the exam. Can you give me the answer? Give me the answer, my dear. X power 6. Yes. X power 6 divided by 36 into 6 log x minus 1 plus c. That's it. Am I right, my dear? Innovate, please. log x में डेरिवेटिव 1 upon x होता है ना. You do it ना. You'll get it. Yes. Okay, next. How many of you are from those who did integration in your 12th standard? Harish, you please come straight and ask this doubt. Okay. So, those who have done their their integration in your 12th standard, everyone is aware about one method and everyone enjoyed one method, that is partial fraction. Harish, I told you, right? Yes, very good. Now, listen this partial fraction method. You see what is going to happen with partial fraction method. Sir, whatever I did in 12th standard, everything on waste, sir. That's what you're going to, because most of the people, 10 marks sum, 4 marks sum is for partial fraction only. Okay? Yes. Okay. Not enjoying. Yes. Yes, Ria, that's what it, you have to have simple patience, that's it. एक एक पेज पर सॉल्व किए थे. Okay, I never understood chapter. Thank you, Ria. Yes, Alpita. Now, this is another full page question, partial fraction method. You are going to give me the answer orally and you are going to write the answer directly. Are you all right? See. Now, for example, 6x plus 2 divided by x plus 5 into x plus 4 dx. When you have the factors in the denominator, by default you can understand this is a partial fraction method. Non-mathematics students, you may not be knowing what is partial fraction. Forget about it, you don't worry. But you please understand the pattern. Yes, Thunder Plays, I love you too, man. Yes. Now listen here. All of you, especially non-mathematics students. Okay. Just do what I'm saying. Okay. What is there in the denominator? X plus 5 and x plus 4. What is there in the denominator? X plus 5, x plus 4. See, that equal to means you are going to write the answer for your information. We are not going to write any steps. We are going to write the answer. X plus 5, x plus 4. Write log x plus 5 log x plus 4 plus c. This is step number 1. How many times you will say? Okay, this is step number 1. Step number 2. What is here? X plus 5. Then take x minus 5. X is equal to minus 5. Then take x is equal to minus 5. See, what is first one? X plus 5, sir. Then take x is equal to minus 5. Substitute x is equal to minus 5 here. Directly substitute. What is it? 6 into minus 5 plus 2 divided by. Don't substitute here, because if you substitute here, you will get 0. So ignore. Minus 5 plus 4. What you are getting? Minus 30 plus 2. What is it? Minus 28. Divided by minus 1. What is minus 28 by minus 1? Put it. Next step. What is here? X plus 4. So what you will substitute? X is equal to minus 4. Here only you have to substitute. Substitute 6 into, what is it, my dear? 6 into minus 4 plus 2 divided by minus 4 plus 5. You are not supposed to substitute here because you will get 0 there. So don't substitute there. I think over. Minus 24 plus 2. Minus 22. Minus 4 plus 5 is 1. So what is it? Minus. Answer over. Answer is over, my dear. Those who wants to apply partial fraction method, you can apply and check this answer. You all understand this? Are you enjoying this, my dear? Yes, you all understand this? Now you got really busted or not? You tell me, my dear. Especially that partial fraction mathematics students. Okay. One more, sir. Yes, of course. Five x by can you do this? Yes, Beetal, yeah. Can you do this? Can you do this? Can you do this? Really, really busted, sir. Good. Yes. Why you didn't teach in 12th? I teach in 12th standard, but now here in South there is no tuition concepts, right? So they don't require my support. So only I focus. When I used to teach in Bombay, I used to teach even 9th standard onwards because I love to teach school kids. And one of my favorite part in school level is geometry. I was a geometry teacher. The two circle arc, my favorite topic, and everywhere I used to go and teach that topic only. And in 12th standard level, I used to teach only the theory part, like, vectors, conic section. I don't teach this integration derivatives because nothing is there in derivatives and integration. Full to full. Okay. Yes. I hope you are understanding. Yes, Rajagopal. Wow. CA Sheikh has given me the answer. Anbe Shivam also given me the answer. Oh, Alpita gave me the answer. Alpita, acha, that is which one you have given me the answer? No. Why x plus 5 and x plus 4? Vikramja, very good. Anjali, yes. I don't know whether it's right or wrong. I'll check it. Can you please check the signs, Anjali? Vikram, you too. Mubashira, it seems right. But let's see. What you will do, sir? As you said, log of x minus 1, log of x minus 2 plus c. Sir, here there is x minus 1, sir. Put x is equal to 1. Substitute 5 into 1. So which is minus 5. Here I will be getting minus 5. Then x is equal to 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 10. This is my answer I am getting. Am I right? Saloni, can you check the signs? No, Luhar Vinayak, मैं नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ यार. अरे आपको बहुत अपना एडनोवेट में बहुत अच्छा फैकल्टी आने वाले लॉ अपना स्टैट्स के लिए. टेंशन मत लो, मजा आएगा तुमको. Yes. Very good. I think now you got the answer. I think everyone is giving me the right answer. I'm shocked. Only you have to work on plus or minus. How many of you are non-mathematics students and getting the answers? How many of non-mathematics students and getting the answers? Yes, Kasturia. Yeah. I'll be okay. Teach me maths. Okay. Yes. So I'll be very happy if non-mathematics students say, sir, I'm getting the answer, sir. Okay, Phoenix. Very good. Yes, infinite love. Masada. Next. Okay, then you're getting it right, Priyosh. Okay, very good. I think logical reasoning I'm only teaching. Don't worry. Luhar. To remember. Yes. Okay. Missed last time. It's okay, Kalpana. 2 more, 3 more sums. You do it, you will get it. Yes, fine. So, yes, Luhar, don't worry, you will get it. I'm there to support you until your paper 3 gets over. Okay. Now, to remember, whenever along with e power x now, yes, Alpita, I understood. Along with e power x, whenever there is a abnormal function, always of this format only, the answer is e power x f of x plus c. For example, let me do few problems. E power x into, it's a famous sum, x log x plus 1 by x. Most of you will leave and come. What I'm saying is, just split e power x log x plus 1 by x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So this is my f of x. So e power x log x plus c. Fine. Integral of e power x see, when I do more problems from the question bank now, you will get more shocked because so I'm going to approach in different level. So look at this, e power x into, because non-mathematics students may not relate this, but still it's okay. Can you split 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, which is e power x into 1 by x plus c. That's it. Fine. Institute material. I'm doing integration, you are keeping statistics, huh? Now look at this. I want some mathematics student to solve this question. E power x into, and after that we non-mathematics students going to answer this orally. I want some mathematics student to solve this question. I want some mathematics students to solve this question. Okay, Sodagar, let me check. I want some mathematics student to solve this one. What is, how can you divide it? Are you trying or not? I want something from math student here. Hey Rahul. Yes. Is it 2 minus x in the numerator? Yes, Vedant, it is 2 minus x in the numerator. 2 minus x in the numerator. Only math students, please try this. Non-math student, don't touch. I will give one more thing. Don't worry. No one is giving me answer. Why mathematics students? I want answer, my dear. Okay. So time up. Taking too much time. Now, Vikram Ja, wrong. Yes, do what I'm saying. E power x, along with that some abnormal functions are there. Something upon something. Please don't tell this to everyone. Yes, Piyush, you are right. Okay. Then they will say, Sheikh sir is not a mathematics teacher. He doesn't know how to teach only. That's what even maths people will say. Okay, I know how to solve it, my dear. But this is just exam point of view. If this type of question comes in the exam, just remember the method. And look at this, what I'm doing. E power x. What is there in the denominator? 1 minus x square. Reduce 1 degree. Answer over. Okay, answer over. For example, look at this. Okay, look at this. What is there in the denominator? X square. What is there in the denominator? X square. What is our rule? Sir, reduce 1 degree, sir. Yes. Am I right, my dear? Ah, correct. Huh? Yes. Okay. Yeah, understood or not, I don't know. Okay, fine. Guys, answer something, please say something. Please say something. No comments. Very good. Okay. Fine. Good. That's it. This is what we need to do. Integration, few more tricks are going to come. Wait. I'm going to solve the problems now. You will be shocked. But remember, yes. But remember, in derivative specially, one compulsory question is going to be asked, my dear. It is from application of derivatives. I will solve when I do the question, when the problem comes. Okay, from the question bank directly I'll do it. Yes, yes, Pratham. So in the examination, if these type of questions are coming, na, just like that you do it. See, don't fight with your ego, my dear. There are, see, in the paper 3 exam, you should stay away from your ego. Sometimes we would like to solve. Okay, sometimes we can get it directly. No, I want to solve. I want to solve means you come out of the exam hall and after that solve it. In the classroom, in the exam hall, directly you mark the answer and come. Magic teacher. Oh. Anjali says no comments. Array Anjali, why no comments? Fine. Now, let us start with the problems, my dear. Let us start with the problems. Are you all ready? Fine. Question number 1 and 2, I will do it at the end for mathematics students. Non-mathematics students may find it little difficult. Now, this is repeated type of questions. Fine, listen here. The value of integral of 0 to 2 root x plus root root 2 minus x. Fine. Mathematics student, non-mathematics students, please wait. Let math students solve this. Let math students solve this. Let mathematics students, let us wait, my dear. Yes, Aditya got the answer. Very good. Non-mathematics students, please wait. Stay away from those people. So, what we used to do, sir, we used to apply the properties. We used to apply the properties. Yes, Sheikh, you are right. Logesh student, wrong. Teach me maths 1. Okay, very good. Fine. Sakshi, F. Why F? Rahul Raj, right. Now, listen here. Okay. First, let us identify the type. What is 0 plus 2 is 2. And here we have 2 minus x. For example, 2 and 3 is there means we would have got what? For example, like this. 5 minus x whole power 3 by 2, x power 3 by 2 plus 5 minus x whole power 3 by 2 dx. You understand the pattern? 3, 2, 5. You don't worry about the degree and all. That pattern only you remember. Is that right? Next, direct answer you can write. Direct answer you can write. What is the direct answer? I'll tell you. This one we call it as upper limit. This one we call it as lower limit. My dear, if you enjoy it now, I need some reaction from your side. Direct answer. When you identify the type, sir, I've identified, sir. 2 is coming, sir. Okay. Upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2 is the answer. That's it. Guys, you understood? Upper limit, yes, Sakshi, very good. Minus lower limit divided by 2. For example, this one. What is the answer? 3 minus 2 by 2. What is it? 1 by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. That's it. Once you identify the type of the question, directly you can mark it, my dear. That's it. Is it clear? No need to apply any properties. I hope most of you might have applied this method. It's okay. Those who are learning it for the first time, you may enjoy this. Sir, what is the use of integrals and derivatives? Of course, for you it is very much useful. Marginal cost and all, it's concept, this concept only. Sir, ऐसा हर question में होगा? Yes, Vikram. This type of questions, every question, this much only. This is what the answer. Now, fine. I told you, na, like what I said, very important part, application of derivatives. This is what application of derivatives. Now, cost is minimum. That means this is from maxima and minima. Fine. Even non-mathematics students also can understand this. I will give you the steps. When you see na in the question minimum or maximum, then follow the steps. Step number 1. Identify f of x, which will be given cost function. Step number 2, find f dash of x. That means differentiate once. Find f double dash of x. Once again you differentiate. Put f dash of x is equal to 0. That is f dash of x, you take it as 0. You will get an equation and solve it. You will get the value of x. Suppose x you got a. That x value substitute here. If f double dash of a less than 0 comes, function is maximum. F double dash of a more than 0, then function is minimum. So remember this. Now the cost function is given. We need to find out the cost when it is minimum. Very simple, my dear. This is our function. This is our f of x. First step is over. Second step is what? F dash of x. Find c dash of x. What is derivative of 2x cube? 6x square plus 30x plus 36. I think there is a printing mistake. It should be minus. Okay. Now, second step is what? Sir, again you have to differentiate, sir. Which is c double dash of x. What will come? 12x minus 30. What is third step? Sir, this one you take it as 0, sir. Divide each term by 6. So is it x minus 3? X minus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to 3 comma 2. Now you got the value of x. Substitute x is equal to 3 comma 2 here. First, when x is equal to 2, what is c double dash of 2? 12 into 2 minus 30 minus 6. Is it less than 0? Less than 0 means what? Function is maximum. So this is not my answer. Then c double dash of 3. 12 into 3 minus 30, which is equal to 6. More than 0? Yes. So our answer is 3. My dear, this type of question, application of derivatives, compulsory question. Okay. Now, in our class I have yet to solve. So I will be having one separate session for application of derivatives or IQ students, because that one particular part is still pending. That I will do it. But this is the steps you need to remember. X is equal to 3. Now, this is basic derivative only. Simple. X is equal to at cube, y equal to a by t square, dy by dx. If this type of question comes in the exam, now we should be very happy. Okay. Now, dy by dx. Differentiate a by t square. Can I write it as a by t power minus 2, my dear? Or a by t square? I said, what is derivative of 1 by x power n? Minus n by x power n plus 1. So, dy by dx. In one step you can write the answer, my dear. Differentiate y first. A as it is. Apply this formula. Here we have got 2. So, minus 2 by t cube. This is what? Our dy. That is numerator. Denominator, differentiate a t cube, which is 3a t square. A cut. Answer is minus 2 by 3 t power 5. None of this. Fine. Substitution type, integration. Can you give the answer orally? Can you give the answer orally? Substitution type. Can you give the answer orally? You may be thinking, na sir, where we are applying? See, look at this. We are applying the tricks. Can you give me the answer orally? Give me the answer fast. B. That's it. Sir, x square, sir. outside the bracket x, sir. Am I right? So what you do, sir? X square plus 4 whole power 6 divided by 6 2s are 12. My dear, you understand now? See? See, I think everyone is giving me B. Very good. Superb. Now this is basic integration. Of course, basic integration everyone knows. Integral of 1 is x. Integral of 3x is 3x square by 2 minus x power 4 by 4. This is basic. Nothing is there. Minus 1 to 3. First we need to apply the upper limit. 3 plus 3 into 3 square by 2 minus 3 power 4 by 4 minus lower limit minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Simplify and get the answer. LCM is 4. 12. 3 square is 927 minus 81 minus LCM is 4 minus 4 plus 6 minus 1. 12 plus 27 is 39. 39 minus 81 42 minus 42 by 4 minus coefficient of x also will come now. Where you are talking about? Oh, sorry. This is 54, na? This is 54. Now tell me 12 plus 54 minus 81. Huh? Minus 1 5. And this is minus of minus. This is minus 1 by 4. Minus 16 by 4. Minus 4 is the answer. Option A. I'll tell you, my dear, this problem definitely is going to be time consuming only in this part. So use the calculator effectively and try to get the answer directly, my dear. XY is equal to 1. This question, first mathematics student you do it. For non-mathematics students, I'll give one more thing. For non-mathematics students, I'll give one more method. First mathematics student you do it. How mathematics student do, you know? XY is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 by x. dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x square. Am I right? So, what is y square equal to? 1 by x square. So, therefore, dy by dx is equal to, this minus you keep as it is, minus 1 by x square is what? Y. Sorry, y square. So, dy by dx plus y square equal to 0. Option B. Now, come to this point. Look at this, my dear. Whenever in derivatives questions, not derivatives question, they ask you to find out something like this. And they ask you to find out what is on the right hand side. Look at all the options. If option does not contain any x, like 3x, 5x, something like that. If that option does not contain anything in terms of x, or option contains only in terms of constant number, 99% the answer is 0. This is called, we call it as calculative risk. Sometimes you should know when to take calculative risk, and this here you can take calculative risk. Directly you can mark 0 as the answer, come back. Left hand side is clearly given. They ask you to find out right hand side, 0 mark and come. That's it. Now, listen here. A cost function is given. The question is, average cost is equal to marginal cost, then what is the value of x? This is application of derivatives. First, marginal cost means, of course you know, derivative of cost function. Average cost means cost function divided by number of units. Okay, fine. Now the question is, average cost is equal to marginal cost. AC equal to MC. What is average cost? Sir, divide each term by x. That is what average cost, na? Cost function divided by x. So what is it? 150 x by x. 150 only. Minus 5x square by x. What is it? 5x. Plus x cube by 6x. So only x square by 6 is equal to. Marginal cost is only its derivative. What is derivative of 150x? 150 minus 10x plus 3x square by 6. 150, 150 get cancelled. Now minus 5x plus 10x is equal to 3x square by 6 minus x square by 6. 5x is equal to 2x square by 6. One x also get cancelled. X is 15. My dear, if this chapter is, because many places this chapter people doesn't teach. If the chapter, this application of derivatives is not yet taught, please ask people to teach. This is very important, compulsory question. Okay, but don't worry, I will have my session about application of derivatives alone, because this is compulsory question, my dear. Now 2 power x minus 2 power y is equal to 2 power x minus y, then dy by dx is. Even mathematics students also leaving this question, but this is not that difficult question, my dear. Differentiate. What is derivative of 2 power x? 2 power x log 2 minus 2 power y log 2 dy by dx is equal to 2 power x minus y log 2 into 1 minus dy by dx. Simply you put the value of x is equal to y is equal to 2. That's it. What will come? 2 power 2 log 2 minus 2 power 2 log 2 dy by dx. Everything you bring it to left hand side. 2 power 2 minus 2 log 2 1 minus dy by dx. Everywhere log 2 is there, eliminate. What we are going to get? 4 minus 4 dy by dx is equal to 1 minus dy by dx. So 4 minus 1 is equal to minus dy by dx plus 4 dy by dx. 3 is equal to 3 dy by dx. So tell me what is dy by dx is? What is dy by dx is? 1. Answer is 1. Yes. I can understand the pain of the students who have not done derivatives before in their 11th and 12th. I can understand. But of course, I don't have time for teaching the entire topic once again, right? So slowly we cannot teach. This is like, revision lecture. So wherever tricks are coming, that I'm going to explain, and definitely it is going to be fruitful. Don't expect all the 4-5 problems from calculus is going to be solved by using tricks. But I can ensure you that at least 3 questions you can solve it. Ha 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 ha. What is the answer? What is the answer? Somebody was asking, sir, can we apply this method everywhere? Now what is the answer? Yes. Upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. 1 by 2. Option B. 3 minus? Yeah. Is that right, my dear? Yes, B. Very good. I think somebody was asking me. I think Vedant, it seems. Now you are happy? Everywhere can be applied. Okay. This one. Very simple. E power x into x square plus 2x. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. So my answer is what? E power x into x square only. Answer over. Now I'll tell you one thing. I think derivatives, antiderivative is integration. Fine. Now you are good in derivatives. For example, if these type of questions, you are good in derivatives, but you don't know how to get the answer. If you differentiate the option, you will get the question. For example, option A, x square into, this is e power x, my dear, Okay, just differentiate. UV rule. Keep x square as it is. Derivative of e power x is e power x. E power x as it is. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. Take x outside. E power x. Okay. Only e power x outside. Are you getting the question, my dear? If you differentiate the option, you'll get the question. So either you learn derivatives or integration. You can do it, my dear. What a difficult question. Integral of log a power x. Is it nothing but integral of x log a? Say yes or no? This log a is constant. Only we need to integrate x power 1. What is integral of x power 1 is? X power 2 by 2 plus c. Where is it? Option A. See, actually this is not a power x. Acha, a power x. Integral of a power x is what? A power x by log a plus c. My dear, it's a formula, direct formula. That's what I said. I want you to learn the formulas directly. So now only they have that channel 13th question started. Now I completed 14th also. Lagging. Wow, your favorite question. Integral of x into e power x. Yes. Give me the answer, my dear. A. Yes, A. Rahul Raj, yes. This is your favorite question. Very good, my dear. So what is it, sir? E power x outside? X minus 1 plus c. I think everyone would have got the answer. Am I right? This one also you know. What is it? Sir, linear function. Formula I gave. 4x plus 5 whole power 7 by 7 fours are? What is it? Yay, very good. Next, 2x square minus x cube. What is 2x square minus x cube is? 2x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 minus 1 to plus 1. Apply the upper limit and lower limit. First apply upper limit 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 minus on the whole cube minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 4 by 3 is the answer. Simplify and you will get 4 by 3. Oh, what a question. D by dx of x into log x. UV rule. Keep x as it is, 1 by x. Keep log x as it is, derivative of x is 1. Only 1 plus log x. Option B. Differentiate x power x with respect to x. Did I give the formula? Did I give the formula? I told you this type of question comes means don't waste your time. X power x into 1 plus log x, direct answer you have to mark. Your favorite question. Sakshi 19th A. Video is lagging, very much lagging. This side everyone is giving me answer B. Which sum can you please, Ednoid channel, can you please give me which sum you are giving me the answer, because there is a lot of confusion here. Thunder plays asking D question mark. Answer is C, my dear. For example, e power x outside, x square minus 2x plus 2. Here it is missing. Now open the brackets. X square e power x minus 2x e power x plus 2 e power x. Option C. Why 20th B people are giving? Kalpana, everyone 20th B. Why you are giving B? It is C. Okay. But still 2 was missing na Rahul. How did you take that option B? How everyone took option B? This chapter is eliminated from our topic. Again similar type of question. Find dy by dx. Y is equal to what? X power x. What is derivative of x power x is? Am I right, my dear? Actually this way they could have given to you. Actually printing mistake. Y into 1 plus log x. Why y into 1 plus log x? X power x can be done as y also. So none you mark. If this option is there, go for option C. Mohan, wrong. 22, how it is A? Many sums are left. Another simple question. F of x is equal to a into x square plus x plus 1 the whole square. Then f dash of minus 1 the whole power x. Find the value of a. So what is f dash of x? A into 2 times x square plus x plus 1 into 2x plus 1. Chain rule. Now f dash of minus 1. A into 2 times minus 1 the whole square plus of minus 1 plus 1, 2 into minus 1 plus 1. F dash of minus 1 is given as minus 6. Minus 6 is equal to 2a minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. A is equal to plus, oh sorry, plus 1 na? Yeah. A is equal to plus 3. Option C. See, are you getting the similar type of question again and again coming in the exam? Similar type of question coming again and again in the exam, my dear. E power x into x minus 1 plus c. This question also I solved. Integral of e power x, x log x plus 1 divided by x dx. Integral of e power x into, split it, my dear, log x plus, see, f of x plus f dash of x. This question I already solved it. E power x into log x plus c. Y is equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2, then dy by dx is, first open the brackets, x into x square minus 3x plus 2. Y is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Now basic derivative only. What is it? B. Okay. The cost function of a good is 2q plus 6 plus 13 by q, where q is the quantity produced. The approximate cost at q is equal to 15. There is some mistake in this question. It should be average cost. The average cost function of a good. Correct. That's what mistake. There is a mistake in this question. This is average cost function. So you know what is average cost function is? Cost function divided by x. Am I right? But here what is it in terms of q? It is given as average cost function is this 2q plus 6 plus 13 by q is equal to cost function, you leave as it is, c only you put, divided by q. Now cross multiply q. What is c is equal to? 2q square plus 6q plus 13. Now the question is what? The approximate cost. They ask you to find out cost. What is q is equal to? 15. Okay. Approximate cost we need to find out. Yes, approximate cost at q is equal to. Find its marginal cost. 4q plus 6. Now substitute 4 into 15 plus 6. 66. Huh? Sir, marginal cost, see, the approximate cost is nothing but marginal cost. Wow. I think you know the answer for this 28. You know the answer for this 28? 3. Wow. What is the answer? 8 minus 2 by 2. See how smartly you are giving the answer. 3. Again similar type of question. Can you give me the answer for this? Ritika is asking 4q plus 6 kaisa aaya? Yeah, derivative of 2q square is 4q. Derivative of 6q is 6. What is the answer? Upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. 1. Yes. Marginal cost is minimum. What is minimum, my dear? Marginal cost is minimum. Where x denotes the number of items produced, the level of output for which marginal cost is minimum, and the level of output for which the average cost is minimum are given by, see, average cost is minimum and marginal cost is minimum. This is what you are going to find out. First, let me find out marginal cost. Differentiate this, my dear. Differentiate this. 3x square by 2 minus 30x plus 36. This is my marginal cost. And we are going to check for what? This marginal cost is minimum. That means this is my f of x. First step, what you are going to find out, my dear? F dash of x. This is what my f dash of x. What is it? 6x by 2 minus 30. So, which is equal to 0 we have to take. So, what is x is equal to? 15. So, marginal cost is 15. Now, average cost. What is average cost is equal to? C by x. Divide this each term by x. What you are going to get? 3x by 2 minus 30. Plus 36 by x. Now find its derivative. What is it? 3 by 2 minus 36 by x square. Now this is equal to 0. What? 3 by 2 is equal to 36 by x. I am taking left hand side, right hand side. What? X square. Is that right, my dear? Minus 36 by x square. Is this right? C by x. Function is correct, na? 3x by 2. 8. See, correct only, na? I need to check the function, right? C by x. Oh, oh, sorry. C by x I need to do. I did marginal cost by x. Shit. C by x. What is it? X square by 2 minus 15x plus 36. Now find f dash of x. 2x by 2 minus minus 15 only, na? And this is equal to 0 will take. So what is x is equal to? Both are 15 I am getting. Let me check the question function. Let me check the function. Please wait. Let me check the function. Epa. No one noticed. 3x minus 30 equal to 0 means x is equal to 10. Only Ritika said, sorry my dear, I missed it. Yeah, option A. See, what a blunder mistake I did. 3x is equal to 30. People are saying x is equal to 10. Actually, sorry my dear, because video is lagging now. I don't know for which sum you are giving me the answer. Ha, this is our sum. Awesome, awesome. What is this? Answer directly will say, sir, e power x by reduce 1 degree, sir, x 1 to 2. Apply the upper limit, e power 2 by 2 minus e power 1 by 1. What is the option? A. Yes, Ritika. See, in a market there are 30 shops to allocate people. If they allocate X shops, their monthly expenses in rupees given by P of X is equal to minus 8x square plus 400x minus 1000. Then the number of shops to allocate, minimize the expenses. That means what you'll do? You'll take P dash of X. Okay. Minus 16x plus 400. I'm differentiating. We need to find out for minimization. So therefore it is equal to 0. So X is equal to 25. There should be 25 shops to minimize the expenses. Answer, direct answer. Next step. This one I'll do it, my dear. Just little, because I think you know what to do, but still cost function is given, and demand into amount we have to take another functional form. Please wait. At last I'll do it. Now, f of x is 3 e power x power 4. I think there is a mistake here. There is a mistake. Yes. F of x is given as 1 plus x. For less than or equal to 0, f of x is 1 minus 2x for x is greater than or equal to 0. The value of integral of minus 2 to 2 f of x dx. My dear, there is a property integral of minus a to plus a f of x dx is equal to 0 when function is odd. 2 times integral of 0 to a f of x dx when function is even. This is a property only mathematics student can follow this. Okay, only mathematics student can follow this. X is less than or equal to 0 means what? Function is odd. So here you put x is less than or equal to 0, you will get function is odd. More than or equal to 0, function is even. You substitute any value for x here. Which one is odd, which one is even, my dear? Which one is odd and which one is even? Two into integral of 0 to 2 first 1 plus x dx. What is it? Upper limit 2 plus 4 by 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. Now take the other one. What is second function is? Integral 0 to 2. What is it? 1 minus 2x. Upper limit 2 minus 4 minus minus 2 or minus 4? Yes, minus 4. See, listen here, directly see what we need to do, directly you just integrate. After integrating, substitute the limits whichever answer, because it is for what, it is satisfying odd function also, and at the same time we are getting the answer x is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 is our answer, my dear. The cost for producing x units, the material cost is minimum. So what is f of x is equal to? 500 minus 20x square plus x cube by 3. Step number 2, find f dash of x. Minus 40x plus 3x square by 2, 3 cut. F double dash of x minus 40 plus 2x. Now take this equal to 0. What you are going to get, my dear? X square is equal to 40x. So what is x is equal to? Huh? What? What is the problem? So our answer is 40 only. When I put 40 here, of course it is minimum only I am getting. 40 is the right answer. There is some mistake here. Some option should get changed. 40. Or otherwise question should have been what, 25x square. Maybe. Question should have been 25x square. We'll talk cost type questions comes in the only cost type questions are coming in the exam. Apply U by V rule and do it. See, application. The speed of a train at a distance given by 3x square minus 5x plus 4. What is the rate of change? The meaning of rate of change is what? dy by dx. So what is dy by dx is equal to? 6x minus 5. At x is equal to 1. So what will come? 1. Integrate with respect to x. Integral of 1 by x log x the whole square. Put log x is equal to t. 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So which is nothing but 1 by t square dt minus 1 by t minus 1 by log x plus c. Option A. I can understand some non-mathematics students may not be able to follow, but math students, I hope you can do it. Brilliant. Substitution method. Trick hack is what you know. I'll tell you. See, hack, if you want to learn hack, means you need to be very much well versed with the formulas and all, because trick. Now listen here. You need to have, see, there are so many tricks, hacks I have got. For example, f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is the formula I'm applying here. Okay, it is 1 by x square formula I'm applying actually. See, if I keep on saying you hack, now so many hacks will lead to confusion. Which of the following is differentiation of e power t into log t? UV rule. E power t you will take e power t outside. There are so many mistakes here actually. There are many mistakes in the tire. 1 by where? One by t plus. Determine, given that f dash of x is given, they ask you to find it f of minus 3. See, f dash of x given as what? 12x square minus 4x. If they ask you to find out f of x, integrate. What is it? 12x cube by 3 minus 4x square by 2 plus c. What is it? 4x cube. 4x cube minus 2x square plus c. This is f of x. What is given? F of minus 3 is 17. F of minus 3 equal to 4 into minus 3 the whole cube minus 2 into minus 3 the whole square plus c. So 17 is equal to minus 27 4s are minus 108 minus 18 plus c. What is c is equal to? Minus 126 minus 17 minus plus 17. 126 plus 17 is what? 143. 1. This is 126. If it comes to left hand side, what you'll get? 143. Option A. Maxima and minima. No, it's not about losing the energy. It is about, I'll tell you, it is not about losing the energy. It is about some problems which you are very good in derivatives, then only you can follow this integration. But CA students doesn't take these topics seriously. So what happens, you also will not show some expression. So at least I'm solving it. That's it. That is the only thing I can do now. Of course, the other side, everyone is stopped typing only. Okay. Let it be. Y equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 10. So maxima minima, find f dash of x, 6x square minus 30x plus 36. F double dash of x, 12x minus 30. My dear, in derivatives and integration, there is nothing to teach because one process is given, the process to be followed. That's it. Okay. Now, this one we should take it as 0. Why you are not able to join the group? So 6x square minus 30x plus 36, what will come? X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 3, x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3 comma 2. Substitute here 3. 6 which is greater than 0. What is mean by this? At x is equal to 3, function is minimum. Then what is next? F double dash of 2. 12 into 2 minus 36. So at x is equal to 2. So the question is what? Maximum, minimum. Maximum first, minimum second. So 2 and 3 is our answer. Sir, I am not able to join the group. This shit, I don't know what group you are talking about, my dear. So what is dy by dx? 2x. What a difficult question they are asking in the examination. Why these difficult questions are coming in the exam? This is our implicit function. X power 5 plus y power 5 minus 5xy equal to 0. What is dy by dx? Minus, open the bracket. Sir, first term, do we have got x, my dear? Yes. 5x power 4 minus 5y divided by 5y power 4 minus 5y. Everywhere 5 common. Sorry. Everywhere 5 common. Can we cancel it, my dear? Yes. So this minus also you can bracket, you can inside the bracket you can multiply. Y minus x power 4 divided by y power 4 minus x. Option B. In one line you can get it. Implicit function rule. Am I right? What? Yeah. Rivali. If when I multiply minus inside the bracket, this is what we are getting, na? How Sai Ganesh got A? Yes. Find the area under the curve. F of x is given, they ask you to find out area. That means 0 to 1, x square plus 5x plus 2 dx. Area under the curve means we have to integrate. Slope they ask you to find out means differentiate. X cube by 3 plus 5x square by 2, 0 to 1. 1 by 3 plus 5 by 2 plus 2 minus 0. I think you have calculator. Can you add and tell me the answer? What is the answer? .83333. Option C. I think this one you know how to do it. C? No. This is actually 5. 2x minus 3 whole power 5. Yes, Mohan. There is a... Let me solve this. Whatever option comes, I'll change it. 2x minus 6. 2x minus 3 whole power 6. What is it? Sir, 2x minus 3 whole power 7. 7 2s are 14 plus C. This is the answer. Option E. Okay. These are the things only math student can understand. What is derivative of x square plus 1? 2x, multiply and divide by 2, 1 by 2, derivative of denominator is there in the numerator, log of x square plus 1. Apply the limit, log 16 plus 1 minus log 5. Option B. B or A? Oh, sorry, A. There are some questions only math students can follow. So I'm keep on solving it. This is not my regular lecture. So I would have explained all the concepts. Okay, so please try to understand, my dear. Partial fraction. If you want to practice, you can practice this partial fraction sum. What is it? I told you already. It is log x minus 1, log x minus 2 plus c. Put x is equal to 1, we'll get minus 1. Put x is equal to 2, you'll get plus 1. So this is nothing but log of x minus 2 minus log of x minus 1 plus c. Sir, this option is not there, sir. No, my dear. Log A minus log B. Option A. Slope of the curve they ask you to find out. Dy by dx is equal to what? Minus 2x. Substitute x is equal to 3. Minus 3. Therefore decreases by 6 units. Minus 6 means what? Decreases by 6 units. That's it. Slope. What? This type of question, see, when they want to make it difficult, this type of out of the box questions will come. What to do? Oh. Temperature increase decrease button now y is equal to x by x plus 5. They ask you to find out dx by dy, not dy by dx. See, it's a tricky one. It's a tricky one. Fine. What is dx by dy? We have to differentiate y in terms of x. That is what we need to do. Now cross multiplication, xy. See, this type of question we also never expect, my dear, in the exam. Equal to x. Okay, now bring x to left hand side. Xy minus x is equal to minus 5y. Take x outside. Y minus 1. So what is x is equal to? Minus 5y divided by? Can I say it as minus 5y plus 0 divided by y minus 1? So that I can apply the shortcut. So what is dx by dy? Denominator the whole square. Then minus 1 minus 5. What is it? Plus 5. 0. So 5 by y minus 1 the whole square, or 5 by 1 minus y the whole square. Both are one and the same, na? A minus b the whole square or b minus a the whole square. Both are one and the same, na? Yes. What is the answer for this one? What is the answer for this one? Directly 0. Oh, that's it. Okay, my dear. See, let me tell you one thing. Let me conclude this calculus part. Of course, there are few problems. It went beyond your imaginations and beyond your understanding, because there are some questions we also never expect. Some questions are like, out of the box questions. We also after it comes in the examination only, we shocked, okay, this also we should teach. Okay, so these are rare cases. Rare case scenario, of course it happens, but generally what happens, whatever I taught in integration, similar type of questions only will come in the exam. So you don't worry about it, my dear. Okay, I am very happy that if you understood 50-50 also, Ritika. So at least, sir, where to done workout in the exam? There is no place to do work. That's what I said. If you follow the traditional method, you will be screwed, my dear. Tomorrow I'll tell you, in my tomorrow session, I'm going to tell you how to approach the paper, where to write, what to write, how to mark the answer. Everything I'll explain tomorrow. Tomorrow session, please attend without fail. Okay. So finally, we completed maths. It seems that started yesterday, right? I was thinking that started yesterday. The time is very fast now, right? We completed maths. What did we start at 25th? Today is 3rd. It is almost 10 days. 9-10 days. Thank you for traveling with me, my dear. So if you want any support, yes, I'm always there. We will meet tomorrow. Sir, non-math students very tensed for paper 3. Ria, tomorrow you please attend my session. Please attend. Without fail, don't. Any non-mathematics students, whoever you know, just message them, ask them to come and attend tomorrow's session. That's more than enough. Okay. Innovate Mahat Test series, I think announcement will come, my dear. Thank you all of you. Good night, sweet dreams. Bye. Good night, good night, good night.